Hello everyone.
Let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, blue color, purple color.